how to deactivate Facebook account. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Facebook app and log into your account you want to deactivate on a device. After you do so, simply tap on the 3 dashboard option available in the bottom right corner of your screen to go to the menu. Now scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Inside Settings and Privacy, tap on Settings. Once tapped on Settings, tap on the Account Center on the top. Now once inside the Account Center, all you have to do is tap on the Personal Details option available there. Inside Personal Details, tap on the Deactivation or Deletion option available on the bottom and continue with the process. Now once you tap on it, you'll be navigated to the page where they will ask you deactivate your account or delete your account. So we are deactivating, so tap on the deactivate your account. After that, continue again by tapping on your profile. And again, there will be shown deactivate account or delete account option. Simply tap on the deactivate account and continue with the process again. Now all you have to do is enter your Facebook password and your account will be deactivated easily. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.